super excited to see how this thing is going to turn out with just a little wash. So hopefully I can get it started and limp it over to the car wash, just right across the street, and just give it a little wash. I know it's probably not great for all that dirt to be sitting out there for too long, so hopefully I'll be able to jump it. All right, guys, the battery is super dead, and it's almost out of gas too. So I'm gonna go just right across the street, and hopefully I can make it there and back. Wish me luck. The bottom control arm is also completely gone on this, so hopefully I make it that far. I really want to wash it though. All right, guys, it's absolutely filthy in here, but let's do the first drive in the E30. See how this goes. Hopefully I make it there. I'm not going to turn off the car when I get to the gas station. I'm just going to put some gas in it. First impressions, I mean, I've driven it around the parking lot before, but it drives like, it feels so nice. I've had a couple E30s, and I mean, it just feels pristine, even in its condition that it is now. Motor seems super healthy. I mean, this is really probably the biggest barn find that I've ever bought so far. Yeah, that lower control arm is so bad. I have the control arm, but I'm just waiting for the bushings. And then after I put that in, I think it'll be kind of drivable. Probably not dailyable, but like, I'll feel a lot less worried to drive it. But I love driving these E30s, man. They're just such a great driver's car. I mean, it really feels just so much different to modern cars and modern BMWs. It's just nothing really like them. Back in we go. Made it this far, so it's a good start. Wow, just look at the difference from the small wash. It's crazy, guys. Well, let's get it back over to my house.